Howdy everyone, this is Grapevine with Uptown 101, and this is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. Hey man, we are at the 23 at the 607. It's just a one bedroom, it's empty, and it's adorable. I'm gonna walk in just so you can see it. Let's go walk in now. Hey, this is a really pretty one bedroom. It's beautiful actually. I love the space here and the feel and the lighting and everything. First of all, there is a really nice bathroom that's here, beautiful bathroom, and that is your bathroom. And then it is gonna go out here. Got a washer dryer included, by the way. And then we've got a really nice desk area, so you can have a huge actually desk area that's here. I mean, you can almost fit 2 chairs there easily. So really nice desk area. Here is your kitchen. The kitchen's really attractive and nice. And then look at all these windows are here. This is amazing windows and balcony. It's a massive balcony. We're gonna walk out just so you can see that in a minute, but it's a really nice, beautiful one bedroom that's here. Wow, huge. And this is the bedroom itself. It's really nice. It closes off with barn doors, really pretty. And then it walks into the bathroom here. So we saw the bathroom already. That's what that looks like. And then here is the closet itself. Closet's really nice. So good storage in there. This is pretty. It feels really big. And wow, do I love this balcony. Let's actually walk out and see it. Oh wow, huge balcony. This is greatness, and you're looking over a beautiful park here, gorgeous park area, and this is the start of Victory Park Lane right over there. So restaurants and shops are just like right there. You walk outside the building, in 30 seconds you're at the shops and the restaurants. They're just right over there. Beautiful building, and a great location to start your new life here in Dallas. Hey, if you're ready to take a tour, I'd recommend actually to take a virtual tour. We can set up that virtual tour even as early as today. Send me a text, just use the number below. It's a part of our free service, and we'll take care of you with getting that set up ASAP at the 23. Send me a text right now. Look forward to hearing from you.